Joe Beermaster. Today we have a Volvo Key Fob. I'm going to show you how to change the battery that's inside this. Once it goes dead, your remote is not going to work properly, so it'll be time to change that battery. Okay, this is a typical Volvo fob. If yours looks like this, there are variations. This video is for you. This is a switchblade type fob. So if the battery goes dead on this or on your car, you can always press this button here and this blade comes out. You can use that to get into the car. To change the battery, you want to get inside. So if you notice on the back of this, there's this little panel here. This is different than most fobs. Most of them you have to split them to get inside. But there's a little cutout there, and you want to use a little screwdriver or a butter knife. So in the end where this little loop is, and we're going to stick that in there. Just give it a little pry. It's a little tough to get out. They want it in there nice and tight. So popped out. You don't want to lose this little seal here, that little ring. And to get the battery, you can just give it a little tug and it will come out. Turn it upside down and there it goes. And notice that the positive side was facing outward, so you want to make sure that that goes back the same way. And also this is a 2032 battery. You can get it at any pharmacy or hardware store. They do have them. They're very cheap. So we're going to get the new one. And we're going to put it back in. And you kind of want to put it in that direction when you go in. It goes right in. No problem. It kind of floats around there. And what holds it in is this seal and this little plastic piece there, because it goes right in the hole and holds it tight. So now we're going to put it back on. Click it. Okay, make sure it's on there nice and tight because you don't want this to fall out somewhere or your battery to fall out, then you'll have a problem. These fobs are maybe 100 or two to replace, sometimes even more if you go to the dealer. So you don't want to do that. So that's it. To change your battery, that's what you have to do. If you liked the video or if it helped you, please subscribe, share it, and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching.